every financial decision is a spiritual decision. Because every time you spend, your heart follows it. And God commands us that we should love the Lord our God with all our heart, with all our mind, with all our soul, and with all our strength. So every time you drop into an offering bag or send your giving online or help the needy, you signal your heart and said, go to the rightful place. Not just to the worldly, materialistic, self-centered things that you need. The cure to greed is generosity. Ang antidote sa greed sa puso ng tao ay ang pagbibigay. Ang gamot sa pagiging madamot, pagbibigay. To kill the spirit of greed in your heart, patuloy kang magbigay. Pag nagbibigay ka, sinasaksak mo yung spirit of greed sa buhay mo. Kaya nasasaktan ka pa. Kaya magbigay ka pa rin. Kaya kung nagbibigay ka at nasasaktan ka pa, it only shows madamot ka pa rin. Kasi nandiyan pa yung spirit of greed. Pero pag nagbibigay ka at hindi ka na nasasaktan, andun ka na sa tinatawag ng cheerful giving. Oh, praise the Lord. Talagang wala na yung greed sa buhay niyo.